Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Whitecraft Woodworking. Today is a great day. I'm not really going to be doing anything dealing with woodcraft. Instead, my daughters are going to show you some of their slime creations and how they're going to fix them after they've gone whack. So let's give a big round of applause to my two daughters as they show you how to fix some slime, and let's get on it. I'm not going to be in this one.
What I'm going to be doing is taking out all the foam beads because this is obviously a makeover, so let's get into it. This part is really dried out, so I'm going to take that part out. Let's take the slime out so I can put it out and see where all of it is. It's almost done. We just have to have a couple more left. Here it is. This is a very thick slime, so I think it's a little overactivated. So, I think I'm going to be adding some. I'm going to be putting a lot of this in here because it needs it. Oh guys, it's getting kind of sticky. But at least it's the pretty color that I imagined, not that ugly gray. I think I'm going to make it a little bit more glossy. Satisfying. Alright, so now we're going to be adding a little bit of these aqua foam beads. I'm going to be adding this charm that I made right here. Alright, that's the finishing touch. Let's get a before and after. That one, I think, looks a lot better. Alright, thank you. Now it's my sister's turn.
This is the slime that I'm going to be fixing. It's really sticky to me, so I'm going to be fixing it. Then I'm going to add some purple because I want this to be a darker purple. Okay, my sister's gonna add some shaving cream. So this shaving cream made a big, huge mess, like a huge mess. I'm gonna add some of this. This makes it glossy, so I just want it in this one. This is my vanilla, like, bubble bath stuff. So I'm just gonna add a little to it. Add a little more glitter. Here are the before and after shots. Here's the before. Here's the after. Go.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more videos. Comment down below on what you thought of our video. Thanks. Bye. Bye.